BLSP stock update today. So this is our first update in a long time now, and over that period, Ray has been working very hard to continue to fight the toxic lenders, the dodgy executives at BSLP, and all the things they've been doing. You know, the tenacity and the diligence he has used, and indeed the other folks that are working with him, they have used to pursue this is the stuff of saints. You know, you wouldn't find it from regular folks. You know, as I mentioned earlier on, the tenacity to keep on holding on and keep on believing and keep on fighting. You know, I mean, it's you can't. I mean, I'm trying to find what could really motivate you to keep at such a fight after all of these years, you know, and after everything has been done, after the rules, after pointing out that the rules have been broken, and yet nothing comes out, you know, and you know, it's highly remarkable, you know, and indeed we thank him a lot, and he has come to remind us, that point out that this company Speed Trader, they are now accepting BLSP transactions, BLSP trades. So you can, if you sign up, you can begin to trade BLSP stock, but you will need $2,500 to open an account, and it can be in cash and in stocks. But this is not as cheap. This stock is this platform is not that cheap. You might be paying around 3,500. Sorry, you might be paying about around $35 per month to use it, or to use its mobile app. And we're talking about holders and interested holders in the US. That's what we're talking about here mainly, you know. So, and indeed, you know, internationally you can open an account, and indeed also the folks at Canada still have continued to trade, have continued to have access to trading the BLSP stock, you know. So who are those that actually trading these stocks? It's actually, according to him, it's actually those toxic lenders who have been to some extent been responsible to the decline of the depreciation of the price of the stock, you know, to some extent, you know, because of all sort of things that they used, you know, safe harbor and all that stuff, you know, to keep on selling their positions and depreciating the value. But in any case, according to him, the reason why they are doing that now, or rather the reason why you and I might be able to buy, is because some of these toxic lenders are coming off their positions, because they are aware that the SEC and indeed you and I, the shareholders, are going to have an impact on them. It's getting risky to keep on holding on to these toxic positions, the toxic shares that they acquired, you know. Of course, they acquired them by probably lending to the company, to Blsp, and then Blsp will go on and issue them with shares and all that stuff. But it's the complication and some of the fraud and also some of the dodgy things involved that Ray has been trying to point out, and you know, some of those things, of course, you probably have been reading them up all over the past few months, that, you know, about as it concerns the details of them, you know. So it is these folks that are selling that has now ensured that some shares are now available, and a lot of market participants are buying up now, you know. And then we can clearly see that we can clearly see what's going on. If we just need to go all the way down to its let's see, the 30-minute chart, we see what's going on here. You see that spike. This is even though indeed it is over the last couple. This is over the last couple of this is over the last couple of weeks of weeks now. Yeah, this is first of this is 12th of February. This is where it was. 12th of February. It was at 0. I have to count the zeros, $0.0003, and it has now, one of those zeros have now been erased. It's now 0. As of Friday the As of Thursday, the 22nd of February, it was trading at 0.0012 dollars. So yes, you can clearly see that it's the market participants are buying. People who are keen on taking up positions are buying. I'm sure some people must have signed up in with speed trade and taking up their positions. And I'll have to check if Charles Schwab has started accepting trades in Blsp again. So this is it again. This is its daily chart. This is its 1-day chart. So as a matter of fact, it spiked to the highs of around $0.0013 as of Wednesday, the 21st of February. And yeah, the projections we have here on this daily chart is 0.17, upper projection of 0.0017. That is what is projected on its Fibonacci grid. And then 0.013, it's still an upper projection. If it breaks that resistance, there's a good chance it might get to $0.017. So, and but unfortunately, the 20-day moving average projection is saying that weakness is going to set in and it's going to fall all the way back to $0.0003. But this is just a projection, and you can imagine that this might be the case. This projection will be the case for its 20-day moving average, because for several months now the stock has just been dormant. So on its 45-minute chart, we equally have such a projection. 0.0017 is still projected. 0.017 still projected. 0.0017 is the projection we have there. So let's remove this let me remove this for this tool, and add another one, this indicator, and add another indicator that will give us an extrapolation, just to get an idea of what the extrapolation is saying. So we're going to use the Itakura Saito autoregressive extrapolation of price and see what's going to give us. Okay, that's in place now. Okay, so yeah, unfortunately as well, the extrapolation is showing weakness. As a matter of fact, at some point the extrapolation was rising, but it's just began to diverge as of Wednesday. It began to diverge, and it's saying that it should be as of the close of yesterday, the 23rd of Friday, the 23rd of February, that it should be at $0.0005. This is the extrapolation on its 45-minute chart. Let's look at the one hour this is 1 hour chart. Okay, so I haven't looked at the daily chart. Sorry, it was the 1 hour chart I have been looking at. So this is its daily chart. The stock, you can see that this is the spike we're talking about, huge spike, all the way to $0.0013. So the Fibonacci projections are not extrapolated, have not recalculated. Okay, so the extrapolation is equally showing weakness. Should be saying that it should be at even way lower prices. Yeah, but in any case, it's good to see that it has the stock has spiked by over how would I put it now, over 200%, over 200%. So it's good to see what's going on. And I will definitely continue to update you and see what you make of Blue Sphere stock. And thank you very much for watching this video.